toners are the next step after a facial cleansing routine. It ensures complete removal from your skin of all cleansing preparations. They freshen up and tone your skin and prepare your surface for the next application of makeup or your skincare. They also restore the acid or alkali balance of the skin because of the pH balance, and they are designed to penetrate pores, refresh and cool your skin while clearing away any excess oil, impurities, dead skins that were not removed with your cleanser. Hey Beauty Face fans, this is Helen, founder, CEO, creative director, chief making officer of K-Shireen Corp. And at K-Shireen Corp, we are all about taking care of our skin. So we have created K-Shireen Beauty Skincare to help you tackle those skin problems so that you can glow. Now, I really love using toners, especially after my cleanser. My favorite is our Herbal Blend Astringent. Smells wonderful, feels wonderful, and toners really just restores the skin pH balance after you wash your face. Now, so think of it as pause and touch to your skincare treatment. Yes. So today we're shaking things up and we're doing a homemade toner. In order to make this toner, you would need 1 cup watermelon chunks, 2 teaspoons of witch hazel, 2 teaspoons of distilled water. I am using Physicians Care purified water, a strainer, glass bottle, and maybe a funnel and some baby wipes in case things get messy. Okay, because it just might. So first things first, you want to purify the watermelon chunks in a processor or blender. Next, you want to strain the liquid and discard all the solids. Now, don't make fun of me. I ain't got no blender, y'all. So I'm going to make do with what I got to do, okay? Then you want to mix the strained liquid with the remaining ingredients and then pour in a glass bottle. I'm using one of my empties for my cleansers, my oxygen revitalizing cleanser empty. Now this is rich in sugar and vitamins A and B, and the watermelon alone has astringent properties, and the super high water content makes it an excellent skin refresher. So once you're done blending up your toner, you want to take the skin toner and apply it with a cotton ball and just gently sweep it across your face. The cotton wool should come out relatively clean when toning. If it is not, if it does not come out clean, indicates your cleansing has not been properly done. So go back and just re-cleanse your skin and then retone. It should only be used after the skin has been completed a cleansing routine and not as a substitute of cleansing. So remember that your toner must be a function as a toner and not a cleanser, okay? But that's it, you guys. I really hope you like this, and now you know how to make your own toner in case you are out of your favorite KCB toner like I am here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you follow us at K-Shireen Corp on Instagram and Facebook, and just tag me while you are making your own toner. I want to see your perfect thing, your magic, your incredible toner that you just created. And if you have a friend that you know that would love this, make sure to share that with them, and we will see you over at the store, and that is at kshireenstudio.com/shop-1. Until next video, I'll talk to you later. Bye.